This is practice A for section 3.5. We're going to look at the next section down, 17 through 19. We're going to do 18 and 19 together. They ask you to write an equation of the line that passes through the point P and is parallel with the given equation. So this is a lot like the last section, only we're taking it one step further. They're not telling you the slope of the line. You have to figure that out yourself. And you need to write your equation not of the line, but of a line parallel to the line that they give you. So it's a little bit different, but it's still the same skills. In number 18, notice the line they give you, y equals 4x plus 1. The slope of that line is 4. Now, if you want a line that's parallel to that, you need a line that has the same slope as it. So if the slope of your line is 4, the slope of your new line is going to be 4 as well. So you're going to keep this slope. The slope of this line and the slope of the line you're writing are going to be the same. So y equals something x plus something else. I know my slope is 4, so I'm halfway done with my answer. The only thing I need is my y-intercept, and I'm going to find it the same way I found it up here. So notice my ordered pair, 2, 5. This ordered pair 2, 5 lives on this new line. Okay, now where does it cross the y-axis? That's the challenge. We don't know, but we can figure it out, and I know it sounds difficult, but it's actually really easy. You write down y equals mx plus b, and you're going to plug in the things that you know. You know 3 of the 4 things that you have. You know your y value is 5. You know your m value is 4. That's your slope. Your x is 2. The b is the unknown. I'll just simplify there. Then I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. My y-intercept is 3. I have a slope of 4 and a y-intercept of 3. So here's my answer. Y equals 4x plus negative 3. And again, I could have just put minus 3 there if I wanted to. 19, same type of problem, except if you're kind of on the ball here, it might even be a little bit easier. Look at your equation. Y equals negative x plus 3. The slope there is negative 1 over 1. If you want a line that's parallel to that, the slope of the new line is going to be negative 1 over 1. It stays the same. You keep the same slope. So here's your answer. Y equals something x plus something else. Keep this slope because it said parallel. Now find the y-intercept. Well, this ordered pair is on the equation of the new line, this equation of the new line. Notice how it looks a whole lot like this when x is 0. Isn't that the y-intercept? Same thing here. If you didn't recognize it, you're going to have to do all this work, which isn't that big of a deal. But it's a heck of a lot easier just to recognize that, hey, this is the y-intercept right there. Okay, so the y-intercept is positive 1, so I'll write it like that. Now again, I can write this different ways. I could have just wrote negative x plus 1. That's your answer.